Hello students, today we are going to learn new topic in English grammar and the topic name is to be and to have verbs. In simple language we can say we will learn about the helping verbs. Learning objectives. Am, is, are, we, were, has, have and had. These all are the helping verbs. They all are divided into two parts. We will learn afterwards. At the end of this video, you will be able to define helping verbs, use am, is, are, was and were as helping verbs. They are the to be verbs. They are the forms of the to be verbs. Use has, have and had as helping verbs. These three helping verbs are the form of to have verbs. Means in the form of to be verbs includes am, is, are, was and were, and in to have verbs it includes has, have and had. First we will look what is verb. A verb is an important part of sentence. A verb is a word used to express a certain action done by somebody or something. It is also called a doing verb. Means a verb is a word that shows what someone or something is doing or does. Okay, it is also called as doing verb. Examples: he goes to the circus and Lara eats fruit every day. Here the verb goes. It's showing a certain action. What? He goes to the circus means वो circus जा रहा है. And Lara eats fruit every day. Lara every day fruit खाती है. It's showing certain actions of somebody. Or a verb is also used to tell us the state or condition of somebody or something. Word is also used for showing state or condition of somebody or something. Examples: I am very happy today and we are late for the circus. Both the sentence are showing status of somebody, that is I am very happy and we are late for the circus. Tense of verb. Tense of verb also have important role. A verb also tell us about the time of an action. The tense of a verb denotes the time of an action. A verb also tells us about the time. जो verb है वो हमें ये बताता है कि ये जो action है ये किस time पे हुआ है. और tense of a verb denotes the time. जो verb का जो tense होता है उससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि ये जो action है ये किस वक्त हुआ था. What are the tenses of verbs? First, the present tense of a verb tell us about an action that is taking place now or an action that happens regularly. जो verb का जो present tense होता है उससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि ये जो action है वो अभी हुआ है और या फिर ये रोज़ होता है. The past tense of a verb tells us about an action that took place at some time in the past. वर्ब का जो पास्ट टेंस होता है इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि ये जो एक्शन है ये पास्ट में हो चुका है. दैट टुक प्लेस एट सम टाइम इन द पास्ट, मतलब पास्ट में ये कभी हो चुका है, किस वक्त हो चुका है. द फ्यूचर टेंस ऑफ अ वर्ब टेल अस अबाउट एन एक्शन दैट विल टेक प्लेस एट सम टाइम इन फ्यूचर. वर्ब का जो फ्यूचर टेंस होता है इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि जो एक्शन है ये फ्यूचर में कुछ टाइम बाद होगा. देयर आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स. ही गोज़ टू द सर्कस एवरी डे. ही वेंट टू द सर्कस लास्ट इवनिंग and he will go to the circus next week. In the first sentence, he goes to the circus every day. Here the verb has the present tense, that is goes. It indicates of the present tense. Okay, he went to the circus last evening. Went is the past tense of a verb go, so it indicates past tense. And he will go to the circus next week means he will go in the future. Okay, that's why it indicates future tense. फॉर्म्स ऑफ द वर्ब टू बी. अब हम देखते हैं कि टू बी जो वर्ब का फॉर्म है वो क्या है. द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द पर्सन, नंबर एंड टेंस. जो वर्ब का जो फॉर्म होता है वो पर्सन, नंबर और टेंस मीन्स प्रेजेंट, फ्यूचर और पास्ट, इसके हिसाब से वो चेंज होता है. वी विल लर्न अबाउट द फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब टू बी एंड टू हैव. The following table illustrates the forms of the verb, that is to be, in the present tense and the past tense with subject pronouns. जो अब हम टेबल देखेंगे ये है टू बी फॉर्म का, जिसमें हम प्रेजेंट टेंस और पास्ट टेंस में इसे कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Here are the table. First, present tense and past tense. If we talk about the first person, that is I am here. Singular, I is a singular noun. Plural, we are here. If we talk about the second person, you. So in present tense with singular noun we use you are here, and for plural we also use you. So you are here. If you talk about the third person, he, she or it, and singular nouns we use he is, she is or it is, or they are. They is the plural form. So in the plural form of present tense we use they are here. Similarly, in the for the past we use was, were. Okay, for singular noun we use was, and for the plural ones we use were, like I was, we were, you were, he was, she was, it was, and they were. Forms of the verb to have. What are the to have forms of the verb? The following table illustrates the forms of verb to have in the present and the past tense with subject pronouns. Here are the tables. If we talk about first person, in to have forms we used have with I in present tense, or in past tense we use I had. Same in plural we use we have, or in past we use we had. These are the to have forms of the word. What are they? Has, have and had. If we talk about of second person, you, in present tense we use have in both singular and plural, and in the past with you we use had. Okay, if we talk about the third person, he, she, it or they, so we use he has, she has, it has, they have. Similarly, in past tense we use he had, she had, it had and they had. We use has, have and had in to have forms of verb. Exercise: write am, is, are, was, were, has, have and had in the blanks. Look at the exercise. My cousins. See, cousins is a plural noun and my cousins. So what we use at my grandparents' house yesterday. It's talking about the past. So we use my cousins were. Okay. I dash a slight fever last night. Last night it is a it is a past tense. So with I we use I had. It is a to have form verb. The river is on the other side of town. I am in standard 4. You are very brave. She was near the bus stop when I met her. I have a little pet dog whom I love very much. And last, my friend Melvin has 2 dogs and 1 cat. So what we have learned in this video, a verb is a word used to express a certain action done by somebody or something. It is also called a doing word. Or we can say a verb is also used to tell us the state or condition of somebody or something. The to be and to have verb have different forms. To be verbs are am, is, are, was and were, and to have verbs has, have and had. With I we use am, was, have, had. With he, she, it and singular nouns we use is, was, has and had. And last, with you, we, they and plural nouns we use are, were, have and had. We use am, is, are, has, have in the present tense and we use was, were, had in the past tense. Hope you all understood what is the to be and to have verbs. Thank you.